Hello, my name is Felix and I'm a working student from GK Software. Today I want to explain on-the-fly service-oriented process verification. Imagine you are a product designer and want to create a new product. You do this by creating a virtual prototype of the product you want to have. But before your prototype goes into production, you need to verify that your designed product complies with the plethora of regulations, requirements, specifications, or imposed conditions. Since all of these steps are carried out in the virtual sphere, we can save valuable time and resources. The first team is researching how this verification can be done on the fly, wherever possible, ranging from product design to production, in order to identify issues before manufacturing is done.